teeth ground sharp and eyes glowing red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kylie here, aka flowergang. In today's video, I am doing a very special video. Once again, I got another box from Influenster. They sent me my third box. This theme is for school, and it's so cute. This is actually my third box that I'm unboxing and reviewing for my YouTube channel. I do have the other two videos in my channel. I'll link them in the description box and in the cards right here, and I'll just be reviewing for you guys. So this box is fresh for campus VO box. Out of a million, this one was given to me. It says, out of 1 million members, there's just one you. Congrats on making our list on a handpicked influencers to receive this box. Get ready to explore and indulge and share. So what I received in this box was a Dixon deep cleaning detergent. I don't know what the heck that is. It's probably a skincare. I got a sheer moisture 100% virgin coconut oil shimmer body lotion, which is for $10.99, and the first item is $7. I got this other thing with the Smash Crispy Marshmallow Rice Krispie Treat for $3 for 6 of them. And then I got a Revlon Super Lustrous the gloss for $9, and then I got a coupon for a Sour Patch Kids watermelon for real shake. That's pretty cool. And what I have to do is, in all positive reviews, you must disclose that you received your products complimentary for testing purposes. So yeah. Also, this is not sponsored by Influencer. I basically just got this for free, and this is the little description of the Rice Krispie treats, and yeah. And the flavor I got for this box is strawberries and cream, which is right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. And I'm gonna test it out for you guys. And then I got the coupon for real smoothie milkshake for the Sour Patch. I don't think I'll like that, so I'm gonna go purchase it, but yeah. Ooh. This is the cleanser, I think. Here's the body shimmer stuff. And then I got the gloss, this Revlon gloss. That's really cute. And yeah, this is just a tissue paper that comes with it. So I'm just gonna enjoy these products, and yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was a very quick one. It was just an unboxing of what I got, and I'll let you know in my next video what I think of these products, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night or morning or day, wherever you are in the world. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to join the Flower Gang and help me reach 1,000, and I'll just see you in my next video. Alright, bye guys.